Hello English 100 class. This is a quick video to help you get started on week 2 of the semester. First, you'll notice in English 100 that the week 2 module is posted, so you click start here. But first, a quick visit to English 100S and two things to show you. One is that this is where you submit your notes. So except for week 1, every time you submit your notes on the book we're reading, it'll go here. Week 2 notes. Educated, submit here. And then the week after, it'll say week 3 notes, etc. Okay? Also, in English 100S, click on the announcements, and you have a little hello from your tutor, whose name is Jed. So there's Jed's email, and you'll be sending him an email this week. And then here's a little video that Jed made introducing himself. So, in English 100S, you will meet your tutor, Jed. Okay, back to English 100. So, every week, the Start Here button will take you to the new module. So here we go. So here's the week 2 module. The basic idea is that your homework is due Tuesday and everything else is due Thursday. If there's something you haven't finished yet from week 1, don't worry, week 1 is still there, just scroll up. So here's week 1. And here's the module where you find out all kinds of things, the introductory module. And so if you're late on something, you might go to syllabus 3 and find the late work policy. Yes, you can read that. All right. So let me change my settings. Student view. Okay. So this is what it looks like to you. Again, every week you click start here and it takes you to the new module. We do have a lot of reading for this week. I hope that your reading is going well, and I hope you like the book. All right, a couple things about English 100 and the buttons over here. One is that you can click Alex's office to call me. So click right there, and that's a Zoom call, so we get a video conference. Also, once in a while, you will click on this button here called Grades. So if you go there, here are the grades for test student. And you can scroll down, you know, if you got a 0 on something, you'll see it. It'll show your average. You don't have to worry about your grade at the moment. We just started. But you should click on grades once in a while to see how you're doing. Okay? And then you can let me know if you have questions. Okay, that's it. I hope your book reading is going well, and I'll see you soon.